Good morning, everybody. It's day 3 here in Rovaniemi. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We've got our coffee, we've had breakfast. We're hitting the road to go to Santa Claus Village to go ride some snowmobiles. We got a 5-hour excursion planned for today. And we're pretty excited.
And it's the coldest day here.
Coldest day of our visit is today, of course.
Yeah.
So we're going to be out riding through the wilderness and snowmobiles. Luckily, they give us lots of warm clothing to wear. Hopefully it's warm. Oh, did we pack our heat warmers?
Yes.
Okay, good. We got our hand and feet warmers that we purchased yesterday. Because those are probably going to come in handy.
Yeah.
All right. We got to get out in the car and hopefully de-thaw it a little bit and get on the road quick. We'll see you there. Getting suited up. Out here on the snowmobiles.
We're doing it.
Look at this. The sun's coming up. Sun's coming up behind us.
I think my eyelashes are frozen. You have snow on yours.
It's lunchtime.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Bon appetit. I'm finished with a hyvää ruokahalua. I'm sure you do.
That's a mouthful.
Easy language.
Yeah.
We got coffee. Yeah, warming up before we head back out on the snowmobiles. We got cookies. has frozen. I've been filming all of our videos with the GoPro and it doesn't do well out here in the cold, especially stuck to the top of my helmet. But look closely at Allison's face.
Oh my gosh.
Her tears are frozen to her face. That's how cold it is. We just made a quick stop to take a break, stretch our legs, and enjoy the view. Look, there's the snowmobiles. I think that one is ours. Snowmobiles, hit the trails again. Gotta get warm. Put my helmet on. Hey, all right, we are done with our snowmobile excursion.
Yes, and we're toasty.
That was a blast. And my GoPro finally warmed up enough to give us some more battery, which is great. It didn't last very long on top of those helmets, but still got the fire going here. It's a beautiful day here in Rovaniemi.
Yeah.
It's even though it was
gorgeous.
Even though it was like the coldest day of our trip, I didn't think it felt that bad. They bundled us up all, really good. Gave us good wool socks and, the full ski suit head to toe.
With our jackets underneath.
Yeah, we wore our jackets underneath, so they gave us extra big ski suits.
3 pairs of socks. Yeah.
That was good. That was really good. So now we're going to wander around the Santa Claus Village here for a little bit. Enjoy the last little bit of daylight here. Souvenir shopping. Can never have enough souvenirs. You can get some reindeer skin for yourself if you want. Reindeer fur, I guess I should say. Hey guys, we've stopped in at a little restaurant to grab a small bite to eat. It's not quite dinner time, but we're so hungry we couldn't help ourselves. Here's a quick look at the menu of choices for lunch. I think we're gonna go with the reindeer pasta. We're back at the lodge playing some Dutch Blitz, and I'm getting my butt kicked as usual.
But we're not going to keep score this time.
No, we're not keeping score. That was my decision.
Yeah. I wonder why.
Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for us here in Rovaniemi. We're finishing up some games of Dutch Blitz and then we're gonna pretty much call it a night. Tomorrow we fly back to Helsinki. It's been a lot of fun. I feel like we've done a lot of stuff here.
Yeah. A lot of new things.
Yeah, we tried a lot of new things. So I'm so glad we came back here. Yes. And can't wait to do it again someday, maybe.
Yeah, we'll definitely be back.
Maybe we'll come back in the summertime next time. We've been up here twice in the wintertime.
Yes, please.
Let's try warmer weather.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.